everyone, you are welcome on Ears Overflow. I am Hare Ram Rai and today we will see how to create access key for user in IAM and also secret key. So let's go into IAM and here you will see I have one user Hare Ram test 1 and I will create access key for this. So inside security credentials tab here there is a one access keys, so I'll just create access key, click on create access key, and I want to create access key for command line interface. Okay, so just choose that and then I understand the recommendation and want to proceed to create an access key. Click on next, create access key, and this is done, right? So also we will see how to configure access key with AWS CLI and see some uses. So this is the PowerShell. I have installed AWS CLI. If you don't know how to install AWS CLI in Windows, I have a video and I will just what you have to do is there is a I button on the top. You have just click that and you will redirect it to that video and you can watch and install AWS CLI in Windows machine. So here I will do AWS hyphen hyphen version and you will see AWS CLI 2.27.7, Python 3.13.2, Windows 11, exe AMD 64. So this is the means AWS CLI is installed in my system. So the next thing is AWS configure, and then it is asking key is there. So let me do one thing. So just copy this and paste it here. Enter enter secret key. So just copy the secret key and enter here, enter, then default. This is here you can provide your region name, default region name, that is AP. You can find region name here. So what I will do is I will open new tab and here uh, duplicate the tab and then here in AWS here you'll see this is AP South 1. So I want to choose this one, Mumbai AP South 1. So AP hyphen South hyphen 1, enter citizen, right? So let's do one thing. You do AWS IAM list users and we will see that some error is there. So it is saying that this is not authorized to permit to perform IAM, not authorized to perform IAM list users on resource. So this means we will have to assign policy, right? So that is IAM list users. So do one thing, just users, and after you will see, you can just click on this, and then add permissions, and add permissions, add user to a group. So actually thing is, we can assign inline policy as well. But if you don't know how to create user in IAM, so I have one video. And also you can do one thing. There is a on top I button. You just click that. You will be redirected to the video. So there you will see how to create user in the IAM, and also how to attach policies. And also then here what I am doing is I am have actually there is a one group, so I am just adding into that group. So next, and add permissions, done, right? So here we will see this user in the is in this group, and it has policies, administrator access, user policy 5. So this administrator access is will work. So here we'll go, and again we'll do just users. And now we are you can see this is. So if you don't know how to create group as well in IAM, so I have one video in the top. You just click on I, and you will be redirected to video. You can watch and create group in IAM, and also you will see how to attach policies for group and users into that. So here, what I will do is I will do AWS IAM list group, and see, yeah, it's list groups, and you will see here group name is user devs. That is okay. Or I will do one thing. I will remove from the group. So here this is user, this is click, and then remove user from group. Okay, and then inside permissions, I will create one inline policy. Uh, Actually, administrator is the already one. So add permissions, attach policies directly, and this is administrator access. I will just attach this policy. Can click on next, and then add permissions, and then this is added here, right? And yeah, so again do users. Here it is working, right? Because we have added permission manually. So into the user as well, we have not added it into group, but we have added policy to the user itself. And then we will do one thing, that is groups, and this is groups, right? So even though we attach policies through group, or we create we assign from here and add policies and then attach policy directly, so it will work, right? Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Iris Overflow.